Lesson 5, The Two Kings. Value we learn, politeness. Once upon a time, there were two kings, King Samuel and King Eliezer. Their kingdoms were next to each other. They were not on very friendly terms. King Samuel was a rude and impolite man. He never listened to his subjects. He always screamed and pointed fingers at people. He always had a frown on his face. He was disliked by everyone in his kingdom. King Eliezer, on the other hand, was kind, gentle, and polite. He never shouted at anybody. He never interrupted people when they were talking. He listened to his subjects and worked for their good. His subjects had a strong sense of respect for him. They always stood by him. It so happened that one day King Samuel declared war against King Eliezer. Both sides prepared their armies for the war. On the day the war was supposed to begin, the two armies stood on the battlefield facing each other. King Samuel shouted and ordered his army to begin the attack. But something strange happened. The soldiers did not move even a finger. King Samuel kept on screaming and repeating his orders. But in vain. The army remained where it was and stubbornly refused to fight. King Samuel was let down by his army because they never heard a polite word from him. King Eliezer won the battle and started ruling over both the kingdoms. He was loved by all, and it was all because of his politeness and genteel behavior. So students, what is the lesson we learned? A polite person is always respected. Politeness makes a person kind and gentle. Politeness wins the hearts of all. So many times we are also not behaving well with our parents and brothers and sisters at home. Sometimes, like King Samuel, we are also very rude and impolite. So we must learn the lesson that we need to be gentle in our behavior. Now students, it is activity time. Let's answer the following questions. Let's do the exercises. First one is choose the correct answer. This is of 4 marks. First one, there were two kings, King Samuel and A is King Eliezer and B is King Bruce. So the correct answer is A, King Eliezer. Second one, King Samuel was rude and first option is polite and second option is impolite. So King Samuel was impolite. Number 3, King Eliezer was kind and gentle and first option is polite and second option is impolite. So King Eliezer was polite. Fourth one is King Samuel declared war against, first option is King Eliezer and second option is King John. So the correct answer is King Eliezer. Now the question is add prefix or suffix. You have studied about affix. When an affix is used at the beginning of a word, it is called prefix. When an affix is used at the end of the word, it is called suffix. All of you will attempt the questions, write the answers and check your answers with me. Every question is 1 mark. So calculate and write it in the comment box with your name. So the words given here, number 1 is liked. So we will add a prefix and make it disliked. Second word is respect and we will add a suffix and make it respected. Number 3, friendly. Then it will become unfriendly. We will add a prefix. Number 4, polite, impolite. So here also we are adding prefix. Number 5, behave. So the word will become behavior. Now let's do answer in short. The first question is, how did King Alistair differ from King Samuel? Answer is, King Alistair was kind, gentle and polite. Second question is, what happened when King Samuel ordered his army to begin the attack? Why did such a thing happen? Answer is, the army remained where it was and stubbornly refused to fight because his army never heard a polite word from him. Question number 3. What was the result of the war? Answer is, Alistair won the battle and started ruling over both the kingdom. Question number 4. King Samuel could not fulfill his role as a king. Why? Answer is, King Samuel was rude and impolite, so he was disliked by all. Question number 5. What lesson does the story teach us? Answer, politeness wins the heart of all people. Question number 6. Give rhyming words for frown. So the rhyming word will be crown. Dream. The rhyming word will be scream. Now thoughts, think time. What would you do in these situations? Put a tick. Now the situation given is, your friend broke your new pen. So what you will do? Shout at him, stop talking to him or forgive him. So correct option that you should behave is to forgive him, her. Second situation is, you see an elderly lady who has lost her way. So what you will do? Help her find the way, ignore her or tell someone to help her. Ignore her means dhyan nahi dena. So the correct option is help her find her way. Then third one is, you see a poor man without warm clothes in winter. So the options given are, tell him to buy a blanket or ignore him or offer him a blanket. Answer is, offer him a blanket. Now we come to skill time. Read the sentence carefully and write yes or no. So first one is, your friend has forgotten his pen and you have two. So will you share it? So actually you should do it. Yes. Second one, I help my class teacher when she is carrying huge piles of books. Or maybe somebody else also, when you see carrying a heavy load, then you should run and help the person. So answer is yes. Third, I take the responsibility of maintaining clean surroundings at home. So answer is yes. Number 4, I pay attention to others while they speak. So many times we keep on interrupting and troubling in between. So answer is yes. And number 5, I try to have positive things to say about other people. So here also the answer is yes. We must always try to see some good quality in others. So students, check your answers, calculate your marks and write your name and your marks in the comment box. Okay? Thank you.